Well, I know you don't have any children, right?
No.
But these videos are like your babies.
They're a little bit like my baby.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this question might be kind of hard because you're going to have to play favoritism. Which one is your favorite so far?
Oh, I can't remember all of them. I think my most favorite ever, and maybe because it was in the beginning, I'm Waiting for Tonight, the remix video.
What's in...
Who is that? That is so hot. And then my voice came on. My manager at the time was like, yeah, that's yours. I was like, oh my God. We have to do a video to that. You know what I mean?
That's
so we
crazy.
went back and just shot one more day, and it was basically me dancing all day. And we intercut it with the original footage that we had. It was the first time I was like really in the editing room and helped the editor. We really brought that remix to life. It was just something that I was so much a part of and so proud of after it was done. And it just has so much energy, and the music of it, it really helped you feel that song. And I just think it was a very special video for that reason.
You multifaceted.
I love editing. To me, everything, a movie, video, whatever, is made in the editing room. That's where it comes to life. You don't know how to piece it together to evoke some type of emotion or feeling, you're dead.
Waiting for tonight. Una noche más. Oh, quisiera inventar nuestro amor. Una noche más.
And you did that song in Spanish too, right?
Yes.
It's seamless the way the Spanish version is. There's no glitches, and if you're just watching, if you're just an onlooker, you wonder how do they do that? How do they do the English version and you do a Spanish version and there's no glitches?
We did it at the same time. When we shot the original video, we did it in English and Spanish. So every time we shoot a setup for whatever shot we were doing, we do it in English, and then they play back to Spanish, and then I do it right then in Spanish. So you got a lot of the same feeling for each shot.
It's the last shot.
The original version had the theme of the new millennium coming into play.
That was a video where I went to the director and I was like, I don't have a specific kind of concept for this video, but it's a dance song. I think it should be up and alive. And he came up with the idea. He's like, look, it's going to be 2000. The millennium is coming. Let's do like a New Year's Eve millennium party like in Brazil.
And it was a party.
Yeah, it was a straight party.
When you watch that video, you feel like I got to hit the club right now. I got to get dressed. You know?
It was the countdown to that.
So we're using lasers today, and they can actually be pretty dangerous. They can blind people. They can knock out digital cameras. So we have to be pretty careful.
One of those things burnt my shoulder.
So let's do one rehearsal so I can see what happens.
Hey guys, let's settle down. Guys, let's all the talking, please. Quiet.
We are ready, please. We're creating a giant Times Square ball thing that looks like it's going to drop, and it's going to burst, okay? But you guys are seeing the countdown to the year 2000.
It was so much hype when the millennium was coming. It was like everybody was waiting for that night. So it was like Waiting for Tonight was the perfect song for that type of concept.